So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. You have to solve this limit sum. Okay, limit x tends to 0, e to the power px minus e to the power minus qx whole divided by x. Clear? So I am doing the sum. Watch it carefully. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power px minus e to the power minus qx by x. Clear? This has been given to us. Okay. Okay, now this can be written as limit x tends to 0, e to the power px minus e to the power minus qx plus 1 minus 1. Okay, by x. Clear? No problem. Okay, so now this can be written as limit x tends to 0, e to the power px minus 1. Okay, minus e to the power minus qx. This plus 1 has been given, so here we can write minus 1 by x, e to the power px minus 1. Okay, minus e to the power minus qx. Okay, minus 1. So minus minus, that is plus 1 only. Okay, clear? So now this can be written as limit x tends to 0, e to the power px minus 1 by x. Okay, minus limit x tends to 0, e to the power minus qx minus 1 by x. Okay, so now this can be written as limit x tends to 0. Okay, e to the power px minus 1 by x is given over here. Okay, so what will you do? We will multiply the denominator and the numerator by p. Okay, okay, we multiplied the denominator also by p and multiplied the numerator also by p. So minus limit x tends to 0, e to the power minus qx minus 1 by x. Okay, so now we will multiply the denominator also by minus q and multiply the numerator also by minus q. Okay, so now this p will come outside. P into limit x tends to 0, e to the power px minus 1 by px. Okay, this minus q will again come outside. Minus of minus q. Okay, minus q will come outside and here is already a minus. So minus of minus q into limit x tends to 0 by e to the power minus qx minus 1 e to the minus qx minus 1 by minus qx. Okay, x into minus q is minus qx. Okay, So this will be p into limit x tends to 0 e to the power px minus 1 by px plus q into limit x tends to 0 e to the power minus qx minus 1 by minus qx. Okay, so now we have to do it in this another page. Okay, so let px is equal to u. Clear? Let px is equal to u. Now when x tends to 0, when x tends to 0, when x tends to 0, u also tends to 0. Clear? And let minus qx is equal to v. Okay, so again when x tends to 0, v also tends to 0, right? So therefore this p into limit x tends to 0 e to the power px minus 1 by px, okay, plus q into limit x tends to 0 e to the power minus qx minus 1 by minus qx, okay, can be written as p into limit u tends to 0 px is equal to u, so e to the power u minus 1 by u, okay, plus q into limit v tends to 0 minus qx is equal to v, e to the power v minus 1 by v, okay. So this will be p into e to the limit u tends to 0 e to the power u minus 1 by u is equal to 1 plus q into limit v tends to 0 e to the power v minus 1 whole divided by v is equal to 1. So it is p into 1 is p plus q into 1 is q. So p plus q is the final answer. Clear? Thank you.